Have you ever thought about where electric cars could go in the future? Well, Tesla's advanced battery research team in Canada just made a huge step forward. Together with Dalhousie University, they've come out with a new nickel-based battery that could change the way electric vehicles are made. This battery combines the high energy density of nickel batteries with the long life cycle of lithium iron phosphate cells. Researchers say it will cost less than half of Tesla's current 4680 cells. This new battery technology could change the way electric cars work. It has a range of 500 miles, a power density of 300 watt-hours per kilogram, and could last for more than 100 years. Are you excited to find out more about this new battery chemistry and how it might affect Tesla's cars? What does this new technology mean for the future of electric vehicles? How will it change the way we power and maintain our cars? Are you excited to see the impact that this new battery chemistry will have on the industry? These are just a few of the questions that this breakthrough technology raises, and we can't wait to see the answers. Let's look into the future of transportation that is good for the environment. Current Tesla models are estimated to last for around 200,000 miles or more than 20 years before charge capacity begins to drop by more than 20%. A new nickel-based battery that combines the high energy density of nickel batteries with the long life cycle of lithium iron phosphate cells was just released by Tesla's advanced battery research team in Canada in collaboration with Dalhousie University. Through a collaboration with Jeff Dahn's battery lab at Dalhousie University in Halifax, Canada, Tesla began its Tesla Advanced Battery research in that country back in 2016. Dahn is regarded as a pioneer in lithium-ion battery cells. He has been involved with these batteries almost from the moment they were created, and he is credited with striving to extend their life cycle, which aided in the commercialization of the technology. His current work primarily focuses on the possibility of increasing energy density and endurance while simultaneously lowering the group's cost. How does the increased pricing of the battery compare to Tesla's existing 4680? Already created quite a few patents on batteries. The researchers claim that they have optimized production costs so that the new battery costs less than half of Tesla's current 4680 cells, demonstrating the promise of nickel-based battery chemistry. As we know, each 4680 pack costs $7,400 to produce, giving us a cost per kilowatt hour of $104. Therefore, the estimated price of the new battery will be around $50 per kilowatt hour. This new technology requires fewer battery cells and aids in the resolution of material shortages. How much would this new battery save you in terms of money? This is almost always carried out by a professional, especially if the car is still covered by warranty. Replacing a Tesla battery is much more difficult than replacing the battery of your iPhone or another device, especially in the newer models where doing so can require more than 140 different steps. A Model 3 battery could be more expensive than $13,500. The new battery can last 100 years and be reused in newer models, saving you a ton of money in the process. What is the energy density of this battery in the quest to develop a more sustainable future? We know the Tesla battery is under warranty for 8 years or 50,000 miles, so the total cost of replacing the battery may be around $15,800. Key to energy efficiency. In the research, a nickel and manganese-based battery chemistry is described that aims to compete with lithium phosphate battery cells on a lifetime while maintaining the benefits of nickel-based batteries, such as a greater energy density of roughly 300 watt-hours per kilogram. Compared to existing Tesla batteries, this is much more. In contrast, the investigation found that an almost new model Y46680 battery cell had an energy density of 244 watt-hours per kilogram compared to 269 watt-hours per kilogram for the widely used Panasonic 2170 cells that Tesla utilizes in its long-range vehicles. Due to the lower vehicle density in the US, a larger battery pack is needed to achieve the same range. You can estimate the Model Y's 4680 battery's capacity at around 66 kilowatt hours and its range rating at 279 miles. You'll be surprised then when we talk about the range of the new battery because researchers say that it will have a range of 500 miles. This is equivalent to the range of the Tesla Semi with 90 miles of range. Given the distance, higher density batteries take up less space in a car and let you drive farther. In comparison to lithium phosphate cells, NMC cells, especially those balanced and charged to 3.8 volts, exhibit better coulombic efficiency, less capacity fading, and higher energy density, and are expected to produce lifetimes. Maintaining a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius may be unrealistic in real-world conditions, but Tesla does have the best battery thermal management systems currently on the market. It has long been known that Tesla has the best battery thermal management systems currently available on the market. Excellent lifetime at high temperatures is demonstrated with electrolytes that contain lithium bromide salt well beyond those provided by conventional lithium iron phosphate electrolytes. With low or no cobalt in the battery's composition, the new battery design would be capable of giving identical results and performing in the same way while improving sustainability and lowering concerns over the ethical source. This is crucial because cobalt mining can result in contaminated water, air, and soil, as well as miners suffering from respiratory and other health issues. And the cobalt supply chain also provides insight into the approach that Tesla researchers are now adopting to battery development. Might be the impetus for the widespread adoption of electric vehicles, which would lead to a future that is cleaner and more efficient. Tesla has made the decision to cooperate with Don and his group of smart people until 2026. What do you think? Are you excited to learn about new battery chemistry that can last 100 years? And how do you think this advancement will change Tesla's vehicles? Here's to a future where electric vehicles are less expensive and more efficient. We can definitely see Tesla exceeding range expectations in the future. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.